Hi, guys. I have something very serious to talk about with you, which is plagiarism. Has anyone heard of that word, plagiarism? Plagiarism is when an author steals the exact words of another author without giving them credit. What does that mean? Means that they're just taking it without changing the words or summarizing, so just real exact like, and put it in their report. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. How would you feel if someone took your exact words, then put them in their report and pretending that they wrote them? I wouldn't feel happy, right? You would feel like somebody's stealing, which is true. Plagiarism is an act of stealing, stealing ideas, stealing words. Um, we are going to be doing research for our reports, and we will want to use the facts that we find, right? And that's fine as long as we don't use the author's exact words. Instead, we will write those facts in our own words. Do not just copy paste, use your own words. That is why we want to avoid plagiarism. When we take something that someone else has written and we put it in our own words, that's what it's called paraphrasing. Okay, now let's practice here. We have a couple of things here. First one, polar bears are carnivores that feed primarily on the fat of ice-dependent seal. Now we can change it to our own words, and I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to write polar bears. Now I know carnivores are meat eaters. I can change it to are meat eaters who mostly, I don't need to add ice-dependent seals. I can just say who mostly eat seals. It's clear enough. There's no opinion. These are facts. Put it right there. Okay. Next one. Let's read this together. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade was suspended from 1942 to 1944 due to the World War II and the need for rubber and helium too. Helium. Now I can write it down. I know that they didn't do it wasn't held on that time. So I can write the Macy's. Now the name we cannot change. The name and the year, okay? Thanksgiving Day Parade was suspended. Oh, I was typing me. So no. Was not held from 1942 to 1944. Why? That's right. Because of World War II. Okay, that's a fact. It wasn't held that time because of World War II. That's what it is all about. Okay, next one. The Golden Retriever, which is a type of dog, is a popular disability assistance dog for the blind and the deaf. What does that mean? It means that this type of dog, the Golden Retriever, is often used to help those who are blind or deaf. So let's write it down. The Golden Retriever is often used to help those who are blind or deaf. That's it. Okay. So this is the examples. These are the examples